How and where does Safety First manufacture its fire-rated products? Safety First's corporate headquarters are located just outside of San Francisco. We manufacture in Merced, part of California's Central Valley. There we have 3 separate facilities, one dedicated strictly to the fabrication of our glass products. It has 2 tempering ovens, a Bystronic automated glass line. Safety mixes and pours its own semi-rigid intumescent interlayer. This totally transparent interlayer resides between 2 lights of glass, giving it its fire-resistive properties. Once that interlayer has cured sufficiently, a secondary seal is provided to the product. It's then ready to be crated and shipped to the job site. We also have a highly automated facility dedicated to the fabrication of our framing system. All of Safety's facilities have undergone a recent expansion, adding to our capabilities and expertise as North America's only vertically integrated manufacturer of fire-resistive glass framing and entrances.